guys, today we're doing some more Slimeland, and for some reason I'm on a hill. I did some work off camera, like making this path thicker and adding some slabs. We gotta get some food. I mean, if I sprint, I'm gonna probably like run out of all my hunger and stuff like that. So, let's, wait, what? That's what I just heard, like, magma blocks underwater. Oh, the sun's setting. And also, while I was offline, I found a ruined portal, and the obsidian's right here, and I got some netherrack and a bucket of lava. And spawn points. Well, wait, do I have anything in the furnace? Nope, nothing in the furnace. It's raining. Of course, it's raining. While that's happening, let's get a pig. Oh, whoa! There's a tiny. Oh, the sun is definitely setting. Man, that pig is so annoying. Hopefully, the rain will clear when I sleep. Also, you can see my skin. It's still the same, but it's awesome as ever. Thinking of changing it. Oh wait. Let's see. That's I had pork chop on me the whole time. You guys are probably thinking I'm stupid because I had pork chop in my inventory. Some of you guys must have seen it. That is a deep. Oh, there's a zombie. Zombie, light on fire. Okay, I'm gonna. Maybe if I lead it this way, will it catch fire? Yep. Nope. It's going into the water. Okay, let's go this way. Okay, this pig is getting annoying. I'm gonna like go exploring and stuff. I don't want too much of the area to be 1.17, like when it updates and stuff. This is a pretty nice area. What's this? Oh, it's just some water. I don't like those little water pits, they're just annoying. Got a sheep over here, and this is a big one of those water pits. This could be like a pool. I think I might like, instead of putting my house all the way over there, I think I might put my house over here. So, we'll keep the path there, but we're gonna move our house. So, I'm gonna get some, like, wood. I already got some wood. Alright, start building. Time lapse, do it now. That's something that Dennis said, like, in his video, so I'm doing the same thing, because it's fun. Alright, this is over, I'm pretty sure. Oh man, I hear a skeleton. Why is there so much lag? Why is frustrated. I hear a skeleton over there, and the axe is taking forever. It usually isn't this slow. Like, usually it's almost as instant. And that skeleton is making so much noises, and they're annoying me like crazy. Why is there like random pieces of dark oak everywhere in my house walls? I didn't even put them there. And I don't know why I've been mining so much dark oak when I could just use normal oak. And plus, take it for we're moving slow. Most of this is gonna get cut, and then like the next bit you're not gonna hear. So la 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 la. Oh, what the? Okay, that is so weird. We can't just cover up this hole. We gotta do something about it. So let's make it bigger. You're thinking probably, villager, why are you making the hole build bigger? I have no clue myself. Maybe it could be like I could put like glass on it, and then I can see like fish if I ever get a bucket of. Hey, we're spamming the chat with sleep messages. Yay! We finally get to spam the chat with sleep messages. Sleeping. All right, let's place some torches everywhere. Torch there. Torch here. Torch here. I got a lot of torches. Well, not that many, but it's pretty. It's not nothing. Wow, that was fast, but not yet. We're not moving all of our stuff yet. First I got to do. Oh, there. Fine. First I gotta get rid of the roof. I'm thinking of making my house out of cobblestone, but like in the future when I get like full diamonds and stuff, you know, not just a fake diamond pickaxe that I definitely didn't summon creative. That's not a hint. I did not summon it creative. I used those diamonds that were in the last season to make it, and then I teleported it using the bonus chest thing. Man, like thinking of like how in Minecraft there like the times are like a whole day is only 10 minutes, and this is taking 1 to 2 seconds. So with an axe, this would be like an hour just to get rid of one. No, like 2 minutes just to get rid of one block with an iron axe. So the other axe is like half a minute, but it's still a long time. So that's why it seems time consuming. I'm just gonna leave that big tree there. I'm talking to myself again, aren't I? Music. Well, technically I am talking to myself since, like, I'm saying this, none of you are listening to me. Music. Probably nobody's gonna, because they're not gonna watch the whole thing through. Hey, doggo, look at me. You want some food?
Music.
Here, have some food. Doggo.
Music.
I forgot to call Chester. I said doggo for some reason. Ooh, wandering trader. Just a second, Mr. Trader. I just want to check your trades and see if they're valuable, or, I mean, like, not worthless. Ooh, Nautilus, and what's this? Bucket of tropical fish. What type of tropical fish is it, though? And a spruce sapling. But those are all 5 emeralds? Okay, this guy is worthless. Alright, I'm gonna, like, blur this out. And now they're spitting at me. Yeah, sure sounds better. This was a really easy bridge to make, like this diagonal one, but it was slower than that one. I don't know why I added those little dot thingies. I don't think it'll... Wait. Wow, I just saw that cow just spawn out of nowhere. Or maybe it was there, except I didn't see it. Speaking of portal, I gotta eat food. No, not the apple. The apple is precious. Actually, yes, the apple is not precious. So I'm eating it. Nom nom nom. If we ever get an enchantment table, why am I talking about enchantment tables? Other chest. Oh, super slow. Oh man, there's a lot of lag. Let's light up the area on our way. Got a torch there. There's a baby horse over there. I am not going into that dark forest. Oh man, what the... Alright, go to bed. Why I'm going so slow for a reason. Right. That's a good day. I think that we'll just leave it here after I finish putting all this stuff away. This